Have you tried this creamy green pasta recipe before? Namaste. I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making one of the most healthiest pasta recipe, avocado and green peas pasta, which I like to call it as green pasta. So let's get started. I am using rigatoni pasta for this recipe. And before we start the cooking process, I am blanching the baby spinach leaves by pouring hot water. We are also going to soak the cashews for a few minutes. Soaking helps to reduce the phytic acid content, promoting better absorption of minerals such as zinc, magnesium, and calcium. You can also soak the cashews overnight. Heat a pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onion and stir fry over medium or high heat for a few minutes. As we blend everything towards the end, you can roughly chop the onions, but try to keep them to a similar size as it will promote even cooking. Once the onions are slightly translucent or golden, add the sliced garlic and green chili. Stir fry them for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. Then add cumin powder and stir fry everything for another 1 minute. Add the frozen green peas to the pan. Stir fry them for 3 to 4 minutes over medium heat and then turn off the heat. I let the spinach sit in hot water a little longer than needed. Pour out the hot water and dip the spinach in ice cold water. Blanching helps preserve the color and the nutrients of the spinach, and it can also reduce harmful bacteria. If you are new to veganism or just want to try vegan recipes, I have an online cooking course on Udemy especially for beginners. Check out the special promo code for Vegan January. The link is in the description section. Let's cook the pasta. Boil water in a deep pan. Once the water comes to a boil, add oil followed by salt. Then add the pasta to the water carefully, as the water might spill over or splatter while adding the pasta. You can cook the pasta as per the instructions in the packet. If you are new to this vegan or plant-based journey, check out the description section for my free vegan guide to get you started. Once the pasta is done, carefully pour out the excess water. Drizzle some olive oil and mix with the pasta, and that way the pasta won't get sticky and will remain fresh. It is time to blend everything and make that fantastic green sauce. Add the green peas and the onion mixture to the blender, along with some fresh avocado, spinach, cashews, lime juice, salt and water. Blend till you get the smooth sauce. Look at that, the bright green color. Let's see. This looks so good. Now for the final assembly, add the sauce to the pasta. You can prepare more sauce, refrigerate it and use it for 3 to 4 days. Even though this sauce is everything you need, a little bit of seasoning goes a long way, and this dish would be incomplete without some red chili flakes and oregano. You can add as much as you like and it will bring out the flavors in this delicious creamy pasta. The pasta is good for 4 people and you will definitely feel full after having it. You can also pair it with vegan cheese if you want the mac and cheese kind of flavor. This dish is so flavorful and creamy that you won't have enough of it. It is easy to assemble and you can always experiment by adding your favorite ingredients. You can try it with other kinds of pasta too, but I loved pairing it with the rigatoni pasta as the pasta holds the sauce and you get those incredible flavors and sauce with every bite. See how easy it is? So if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, Bye.